It is a daring reinvention of mobile life that the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome Armadillo is. It combines cutting-edge technology, off-road capability, and luxury design in a single intelligent vehicle that resembles armor. The Armadillo, which is known for its adaptability and resilience, inspired the design of this RV, which is designed to tackle any terrain while simultaneously giving a modern sanctuary on the inside. One of the most remarkable features of the exterior is its armored shell-like form, which features dynamic panels that can adjust to improve aerodynamics and provide protection. Built on a sturdy chassis that is capable of traversing all terrains, the Armadillo is outfitted with electric motors of the next generation, adaptive suspension, and solar-assisted energy systems, which combine to make it not only unstoppable, but also highly efficient. When you step inside, you are immediately transported to a mobile smart home that has been built with the trademark elegance of Mercedes-Benz. Within the living space, there is a modular lounge that is equipped with soft-touch materials, intelligent lighting, and an OLED entertainment wall that can be disassembled. By virtue of its spaciousness and adaptability, it may seamlessly transition from a communal lounge into an office or a leisure zone. The bedroom is a haven of tranquility, featuring a queen-size memory foam bed, electrochromic windows that enhance privacy, and storage options that are located under the bed. The lighting and sound systems in the environment will automatically adjust themselves to your sleeping patterns. The bathroom features a luxury shower that is tiny and equipped with water-saving technology, a ceramic basin, and a composting toilet system, all of which are contained inside a space-efficient and streamlined structure. With features such as extendable sidewalls, integrated artificial intelligence climate control, voice command systems, and navigation supported by drones, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo is more than simply a motorhome. It is a mobile fortress that embodies innovation, freedom, and comfort. It doesn't matter if you're driving through the middle of the desert or parking on top of a mountain slope. The Armadillo will make sure that every location seems like home, redesigned for the future.